Despite the weirdness and craziness of something we once called 2020, where we were in complete isolation to the usual fast paced world we lived in, there's one thing it generously gave me: time. Time for the family, to appreciate and have meaningful conversations, the time to really listen to them, to make them laugh, and to share genuine memories with them. Extended cuddle time in the morning with my husband, and more lunch dates with him. More time for these precious fur babies that help me in so many ways, especially in coping with the roller coaster of emotions I have been through. Time to stare out the window, hear the birds, while enjoying a sip of my coffee. Time for skincare and body care. I really took time to take care of myself for 2020. More time with my mind, soul, and body. For the past few years, I have been bombarding myself with work. Of course, I still did this in 2020, but I made sure I carved the time for yoga, workouts, meditation, and journaling. I realized it really helped me a lot. We also had the time to launch 4 brands this year with the help of my brilliant employees. And speaking of brilliant employees, I was also able to spend more time with these amazing people that we housed up until now. It also made me really, really grateful for them. 2020 also gave me time to also be able to help a lot of people in so many ways I can't even imagine it's possible. 2020 also gave me the time to be able to make my family happy, to be able to surprise them, to be able to make them feel loved and valued. 2020, thank you for making me do things I never imagined I could do. Co-hosting a podcast with an amazing woman, virtual events, and earlier part of this year, speaking engagements. Thanks also for the time to learn and connect with people. We all know virtual Zooms right now, attending a business class of my dreams. But aside from those, thank you for allowing me to have more time to break down, to cry, to allow myself to be frustrated at times and get tired. The time to allow me to feel things. Thank you for allowing me to have more time and survive 2020. Honestly, I am grateful for just surviving. And if you are here too, here's to better days ahead. Virtual hug.